Spirit Tower information, Yankee 2054 Zulu, wind 260 at 11, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 17, dew point -1, altimeter 2976.
Flex 390 with you on the visual, runway 26 left.
390 Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
And 26 left, Flex 390.
Roger, taxi flight at maintenance via Alpha, taxi lane Bravo, remain at frequency.
Canadian Citation 615 Papa Lima, visual 26 left, slow into final.
615 Papa Lima, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land number 2, following Phenom traffic, 2 mile final.
Land number 2, 26 left, 5 Papa Lima. Lima has Alpha 6 for Millionaire.
5 Papa Lima, Roger, turn right Alpha 6, taxi in the interview Alpha, remain at frequency.
6 Alpha Millionaire with you, 5 Papa Lima, thanks.
Spirit Tower, good evening. Rockfish 121 inbound, visual 26 left.
Fish 121, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left. Clear to land number 2, following citation traffic, short final. There is helicopter traffic currently 4 east of the field, inbound between the parallel, should be north of your final at all times.
Rockfish 121, clear to land, 26 left.
Fish 121, turn right when able, taxi parking via Alpha, remain at frequency.
When able, taxi parking.
93 Mike, runway 26 left, clear to land number 2, following Falcon traffic, short final. Caution, wait turbulence.
26 left, clear to land, 93 Mike.
contact 10 million via Alpha, remain in street with you.
Alpha 5 and no via Alpha with you, 999.
Spirit Tower, Affliction 514, ready in sequence, 26 left.
514 Spirit Tower, flash traffic 5 mile final, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, runway heading, Affliction 514.
Contact St. Louis departure off safe flight.
Good night, Flash 514.
Inbound on the ILS 26 left.
Runway 432 Spirit Tower, how is the approach terminate?
We're going to be a missed approach here on this, and we'd like alternate missed approach instructions to come around for another ILS.
Runway 432, runway 26 left, clear for the option on the go, turn left direct, or turn left southbound, maintain VFR.
Direct southbound, maintain VFR, gateway 432. Any altitude for us?
Runway 432, you are VFR, so negative. Runway 432, Challenger traffic, take the runway now, report once you get them to site.
Inside gateway 432.
432, maintain visual separation for wake turbine.
Visual separation, gateway 432. Gateway 432 on the nose.
432, roger. 432, you can contact St. Louis departure 126.5.
Approach gateway 432.
Tower, Commerce Bank 1, visual 26 left.
Bank 1 Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear land number 2, flying Pilatus traffic, short final.
Land number 2, 26 left, Commerce Bank 1.
Turn right Alpha 8, taxi straight ahead to parking, remain the frequency.
Yeah, right, Alpha 8 with you, Commerce Bank.
Station 81 Whiskey Lima, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
26 left, full length, 81 Whiskey Lima.
Contact St. Louis departure, have a safe flight.
Have a good day, stay away. Whiskey Lima.
Project 661, make right close traffic, runway 26 right, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, clear check 661.
Project 661, just verify that's right close traffic for runway 26 right.
Close traffic, runway 26 right, clear check 661.
2043, traffic lifting is going to be in the pattern on the north side, westbound departure approved, runway 26 left at Alpha 3, cleared for takeoff.
Departure approved, 26 left at Alpha 3, cleared for takeoff, 23 Alpha 3.
Inbound ILS 26 left, full stop.
432, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left, clear to land, gateway 432.
You want to move in it? 432, roger. Turn right off the 5, X millimeter V Alpha, remain the circuit.
Alpha 5 millimeter V Alpha, this frequency gateway 432.
Respect 1, fly runway 26 to left, line of, runway 26 to left, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, runway 26 left, Commerce Bank 1.
Contact St. Louis departure, I've 65.
Sure, gun departure, Commerce Bank 1.
Good evening, Gateway 651, visual 26 left.
651 Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
6 left, clear to land, 651.
One uniform Mike, visual 26 left.
1 uniform Mike, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 1 uniform Mike, 26 left.
51, turn right Alpha 8, taxi to Million Alpha, remain the frequency, have a good night.
Alpha 8 Alpha with you. Have a good night, 661.